Most people overcomplicate this, but the truth is, asking yourself 2 questions makes it easy to decide on bulking or cutting. But if you make the wrong choice, if you bulk when you need cutting, if you cut when you need bulking, you make no progress, you look like crap, you lose muscle, and you get fatter. Bad times. The good news is these 2 questions are very simple and I'm revealing them in this video. First question is, are you skinny? If the answer is yes, bulk. If the answer is no, move to question 2. Fair warning, skinny fat is not skinny. I'll put up a picture on the screen, but this is me when I was skinny fat. If I bulked, I would have got fat. Bad times. Unless that's what you're going for. But if you're on this channel, I'm assuming you're not here to get fat, you're here to get fit, right? Skinny is rib cage showing, toothpick arms, etc, etc. Skinny people have trouble gaining weight. If this doesn't sound like you, you're not skinny. For example, I can look at cake and I've added 5 pounds. I am not skinny, never have been. Don't know that struggle. Whether you're bulking or cutting, you need a good workout program to build your dream body. Losing fat without lifting weights just makes you skinny fat. Lifting close to failure with a good workout program gives you that aesthetic body that you're after. Never feel embarrassed taking your shirt off again by downloading my 2 free workout programs. Go to jcarteray.com/free workout programs. Link will also be in the description down below. These are the same programs I used to build my dream body, and I'm still using the Trap God program to this day. You've got nothing to lose except for the opportunity to download these programs while they're still free and available, because they won't be free and available forever. So get that while you can. Question 2, can you see your abs? If the answer is yes, bulking is optional, but bulking is mandatory if you're under 10% body fat and you want to grow. If the answer is no, you can't see your abs, you have no need for any more fat. You're already fat enough. You can't see your abs. You're likely over 15% body fat. Unless you're super unlucky with your genetics like The Rock and you're super lean but you've got basically no abs. Unfortunate, but for most people, you can't see your abs. You're likely above 15% body fat, meaning there's no reason for you to bulk. You're getting no benefit from it. By the way, this means any ab definition. So 2-pack, 4-pack, 2-pack. You don't need a 6-pack to answer yes. If you can see some abs there, then fair enough. Maybe you can do some bulking. But if all you see is a stomach, all you got is a belly, yeah? Big belly rude boy, no abs, leave the bulking alone. 90% of people do not need to bulk, because this is the truth about bulking. You don't need to bulk to build muscle. If you have 15% or above body fat, bulking is useless. You're not getting any added benefit from bulking. If anything, you could be hurting your health by getting fatter and fatter. At 15% body fat and above, your body has enough fat already. You can lose fat and build muscle at the same time when you're around this point. For example, as I showed you earlier, when I was skinny fat, I did not bulk to get the body that I have now. I'll put like an example of that as well. So skinny fat, body I have now, no bulking, not one piece of bulking. I cut all the way to where I am now, and you can see I've got more muscle. I cut from over 200 pounds to about 173 pounds today while building muscle along the way. And I had some maintenance periods in there, but no bulking periods at all. Not necessary unless you're super lean. For example, if your body fat is under 10%, you need to bulk to build muscle. Your body can't build muscle if it's using all your calories just to survive. Your body won't build muscle if it thinks you're starving, because muscle is metabolically active and it uses more energy than fat. If your body thinks you're starving, it's gonna get rid of that muscle. It's gonna be like, what? You wanna build more muscle? We don't have enough calories to survive. What are you on about? Leave me alone. No more muscle is allowed around here. So if you're under 10%, you're gonna need to bulk. The real reason for bulking is this. Bulking is for adding fat. If your body has enough fat, you can build muscle with a small surplus of 100 calories. Yes, if your body has enough fat, you can build muscle with a small surplus of 100 calories. You probably hate to hear this, because if you're like me, you're thinking about bulking as an opportunity to eat all the McDonald's and pizza that you can and go wild. Trust me, It's unnecessary to do that, and honestly, it's probably very bad for you if you do that. If your body has enough fat, you can build muscle in a deficit. Proof is in the pudding. If your body's too lean, you need to bulk to add body fat. This is the most important thing to remember. The two simple questions that make it easy to decide on bulking or cutting are: 1, are you skinny? If the answer is yes, bulk. If the answer is no, no bulking. 2, can you see abs? If the answer is yes, bulking is optional depending on your body fat percentage. If the answer is no, do not bulk. There's no reason to bulk if you're already fat. Like, it doesn't make any sense. The truth is, you can't bulk or cut without this. You need to understand and know your maintenance calories to bulk or cut effectively. There are calculators online that help you estimate your maintenance calories, but they're only estimates and they're not that accurate. The only way to find your real maintenance number is to experiment on yourself like a lab rat. Perfect experiment for finding your maintenance calories is on page 43 of my Getting Lean ebook. Link is down below, or go to jcarteray.com/getting lean. Like and comment for the algorithm, it helps a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.